Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review. And today, guys, it is that time again. We are going to look at my June tray, but this tray is special from the other tray. And you know why? Because it's your sis' birthday month. One time for the birthday girl. Oh, two times. Okay. Sorry. Just excited myself, excited to see another year, and just excited to just be going on this adventure with you all regarding my fragrance reviews. And we're going to go over my birthday tray just real quick. Just wanted to pop on because, honey, it's the birthday tray. But if you have not subscribed, what are you doing? Come on, sis, bruh, cousin, auntie, mama, we are family around here. So come on, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. If you want any reviews on anything I'm going over, just let me know, let your sis know, and I will definitely get that out to you all, okay? So again, let's get into it. So, this bad boy right here, bond number 9 Tribeca, guys. That beauty right there is a nice penny beauty, but it is everything. Like tropical, luxury, just takes you just on an adventure. So if you are wanting an adventure, sis, I would get that, or put that on your Christmas or your birthday list, and maybe someone can gift it for you because I got it for Christmas. Okay. Going to the next one, I have Ocean de Joya, Giorgio Armani. This beauty right here, guys, it's not as expensive, but to me, it is your fresh, fruity, white floral, pear, water. It's your watery perfume, but it also has a little luxe in it, I think. I think it gives you a little luxe feel, just to me. So let's go on to MAC. If you do not know about this, haven't heard about this, sis, Macter Aquatic. Get you this fragrance right here. This is what a lot of people are talking about, and it's from MAC. But this one, it also gives me a little, it's light on the green. It does give you water vibes, but this one, if I was going to a beach for my birthday, which I'm not, but if I was, this would be something that I would enjoy. So, great pick there. Next up, I have Florabotanica Balenciaga. Guys, this is what, well, if you don't see that dent right there, I don't know what you're looking at, but I wore this today. This was my scent of the day. I highly suggest getting this scent. This scent lasts me all day, like even more than 8 hours. Like I'm still smelling it now. This is a beauty, a must-have for summer. Ladies, gentlemen, please do yourself a favor and pick this up. Okay, your sis gonna be wearing that. All right. I have Zara Tropical Boost. This is one of their new lines. This one, so addicted, guys. Tropical. I don't really have many other words to describe this, but a tropical bomb. So if you are into that, great pick. I have Replica Bubble Bath. So this I was really interested in getting. I did not know what to expect, But sis, bruh, cousin, auntie, I am so glad that I chose to pick this beauty up. This is a must. Like, this is a luxury. This is a luxe bubble bath. This not your, what is it? Nothing wrong with it. No shade, what I'm about to say. But this is not your getting your detergent, your liquid detergent, putting in the bath, and then putting on the water, and it suds up. No. This is your luxury name brand bubble bath smooth silky. Pick that up. You need that. You need that. Okay. This one is another Zara fragrance. This is Applejuice. I believe I had this on my tray maybe even a couple of months ago. Clearly I love it. Period. Okay. This one here is Ice Angel Star. This is Mugler. This one is a pineapple beauty. This one got last year. They normally come up with like a specialty fragrance, and this is perfect for spring, summer. Just an amazing, amazing fragrance. Okay. Then we have Armaf. I don't know if you all have heard of this. This was actually sold to me. You know how you go into a mall and they have the person selling the fragrance in the middle? Well, I got. Okay. But but this is your plum orange lily of the valley type of fragrance. Very good again for spring, summer. Cheapy. Okay, and don't let them get you for no $60, $70 like they did me. You better go to Fragrance X and copy this for about $30, $20. Okay, moving on. That's another time. Yeah, another story for another day. We have Golden Nectar, which is from Nest. Nest is a clean brand. That is one of their newest fragrance. To me, it gives me a little bit of honey. We have MFK, Gentle Fluidity Gold. This is to me, your beautiful luxe vanilla. Like your warm luxe vanilla. Like this might be birthday ready, okay? And I'm sorry, don't mind the bottles. I did not clean them, okay? Don't judge me. Okay. Kayla. Invite only. Why did I get that? Because it has my name on it. No, it has amber on it, but no. It's a cookie smelling fragrance, and I love it. Okay. Candy Yum Yum. I think I've had this on my tray before. You all know this is one that I was trying to find everywhere. I thought it was discontinued. Now it seems like they have it available again, but it is beautiful. Very much a candy sweet type of scent. Get it. Like, get your hands on it, because I don't know if it's going to discontinue again. I don't know. Okay. Trussardi Donna. Honey, luxe on a budget. If you're looking for luxe on a budget, please go and get that. I have Kirk from Tiziana Terenzi. A beautiful, guys. I know I keep saying beautiful, but I mean, it is my birthday. Very much a passion fruit fragrance. I would definitely suggest. I have Versace Arrows. This is the Eau de Toilette version. To me, it's a citrus, fruity, fresh. I believe it has like Sicilian lemon, white jasmine, currant or black currant or white currant, some kind of currant in it, something like that. But it's really good, guys. Then I have the La Petite Robe Noir. This is a Guerlain fragrance. This is a good green. If you want a green freshie, cheapy, get that one. suggest that. Then we have Escada Miami Blossom. You talk about a fruit bowl fragrance. You want to smell like all delicious fruits. Get you that one. Like all delicious fruits combined. And maybe you're not feeling like a perfume and you want more like a luxe kind of smelling body spray that's not like immature. Get that. Like on your hot days, I would wear that. That's just me, my opinion. All right, then we have Coconut Freesia. That's the Guerlain fragrance. Coconut Aquatic Beauty in a bottle. Okay? Everything on this tray, I mean, it's my birthday tray, y'all. So everything I like. I love. So get you that. Holidays, if you are not a coconut person, then this is not for you. And I'm so sorry that you're not a coconut fanatic. This is creamy coconut to me. Very much a creamy coconut babe, okay? I have Aquatic De Joya. This to me is more green fresh than the Ocean. Ocean gives me very much like an aquatic, more luxe smelling than the Aquatic De Joya, the green one. But still beautiful, green, fresh. Out of the shower, I would grab. If I am going to a picnic, I would grab. I always talk about picnics. I just love picnics because your sis like to eat. Okay, we're not talking about me on eating. Okay, great. But perfect. I would pick it up. Haute Bijou. This is from the House of Sillage. Guys, honey. Fruity, tropical, vanilla, woody, mango, black, currant, grapefruit. Get you this beauty. I would put this on your list. If you're looking at the House of Sillage and you're like, which cupcake should I get? This, I would definitely say, place on your list. And this beauty right here is Woman in Gold by Kilian. Guys, this is a powdery luxe beauty. I wear this to church. I wear this to a wedding. At one time, I wore this to a wedding. I would wear this on a beach. To me, this gives me like a luxe powdery creamy fragrance. I love Woman in Gold. Like it gives me very much Chanel glasses, big glasses, like very much a trend, like a mature trend woman. Like if you are mature, but you have style, honey, this is you. Sis, bruh, whoever, cousin, auntie, mama, whoever want to wear it. Woman in Gold should definitely be on your list. All right. So that is my birthday tray, guys. Thank you so much for just subscribing. Thank you so much for joining the family. Love you guys. I love all the new subscribers. I love all the new comments that I am getting. Your girl just loves fragrances. It's just an addiction. I'm sorry. Like, people have addictions to purses, clothes, and your sis has addictions to fragrance and body care. Okay. Well, but bye, guys. My beautiful Geminis. Happy birthday to you all. I hope that you enjoy your day. And I will see you guys next time in the next videos. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye, guys.